Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.9% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US dollar and Treasury yields climbed as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell suggested more US interest rate hikes may be needed to curb inflation, and the Bank of England delivered a bigger-than-expected rate hike. The price ratio between Ether and Bitcoin, a commonly watched metric for the biggest cryptocurrencies, sank to a 2-month low as a traditional finance giant's plan for a BTC exchange-traded fund dramatically shifted sentiment in the industry. The pound held steady against the dollar and euro after an initial surge during a volatile trading session following the Bank of England's decision to raise interest rates by 50 basis points.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 0430 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The Belgian leading indicator at 1300 hours GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.